When parents pick a place where they're going to live, one of the major things they consider is the quality of the schools that their children are going to attend. When I came through the buildings, I just couldn't believe what I was seeing. You got to be kidding me. There's no way these are the schools that I've been hearing about so much. I saw schools that were just very old-fashioned and very outdated, and schools that really don't allow us to meet all our students' needs at the level that I think our students require.
For the last 5 or 6 years, I'd really been talking to the board about the need to consider not only the mechanical, electrical, plumbing work, but also really consider thoughtfully how much learning has changed.
What we're doing in the classroom is advancing so rapidly and is so far ahead of where we've been and is so innovative. We now have facilities that don't match that.
We can group students in 2s, 3s, 4s. We can still do individual work when we're testing.
Now they're problem solving together, and that is really not only the change in education, but kind of the change in the world and the work environment we're preparing students for.
Other teachers are looking and saying, wow, this would be great for our students as well.
These things are aging, and our ability to maintain them and to keep them functioning is getting harder and harder.
When these schools were designed, the types of security needs and thoughtfulness that one put into buildings just don't match with how we would build a school today. So our entrances need to be more secure. We have places in all 3 of our buildings where students actually are going outside to get into another part of the building, and those are things that you would never do in a design element today if you were building a school. Every high school district that touches our high school district, they've all done substantial work and upgrades to their high schools. We haven't made this call for nearly 50 years, and it's time to make the call.
How much better could we be if we had facilities that match the level of our teachers?
As a school system, we're behind what the other school systems in our area have done. It's time to play catch up.